All right, we're gonna try this one again. Bought this up at Pro Fireworks a few weeks ago. I shot it and the thing like blew apart. I had to go to the store the next day for a little bit of a billing issue. And I told them about this and showed them the video, and they replaced it free of charge. I thought that was pretty cool. Anyway, I'm gonna shoot this in wide or horizontal, just because I think this fountain will fit it. Anyway, let's try this again, and we're gonna stand back a little further, just in case. Whoa. Ah, she's about to fall off the table. Come on, baby, don't fall. Don't fall. Ah, don't fall. And whoa. Can't believe that stayed on. Look at that. Oh, there it fell. Oh, that was awesome. Didn't die this time.